Hello students, we see in previous video word building जे शब्द कसे बनवायचे. If you didn't see this video, I will give you in I button. जर तो व्हिडिओ तुम्ही बघितला नसेल तर वरती I बटन वर क्लिक करा, तुम्हाला तो व्हिडिओ मिळेल किंवा खाली डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स मध्ये तुम्हाला वर्ड बिल्डिंगचा व्हिडिओ मिळेल. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट बिल्डिंग सेंटेन्सेस म्हणजे वाक्य तयार करणे. So let's start. Building sentences. Sentences means वाक्य. Building means बांधणे. वाक्य बांधणे. In your textbook, given this chart, choose one word phrase from each house and make meaningful sentences. प्रत्येक घरातील एक शब्दगट निवडा आणि अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य तयार करा. Here is given 3 houses and some parts of sentences given here. We can try make meaningful sentences. Let's start. The lion slept under the tree means सिंह झाडाखाली झोपला होता असे वाक्य तयार होते. This is meaningful sentence. So we can write here the lion slept under the tree. If we see, here are given subjects and here are given verbs and here are given objects. So the sentence become the lion slept under the tree. सिंह झाडाखाली झोपला होता. Sleep is a present form and slept is a past form. So all are slept, ran, jumped, climbed, walked, fell, all are past forms here. So we can try next sentence. The mouse ran on the wall. So we can write here the mouse ran on the wall. Then next we can try a cat jumped from the tree. So we can write here a cat jumped from the tree. म्हणजे मांजरीने झाडावरून उडी मारली. Like this we can make other sentences also. A dog, take the verb here, climbed and on the wall. So we can make sentence a dog climbed on the wall. So the sentence become the dog climbed on the wall. Then next Amit. Amit is a name of boy. So Amit walked under the tree. म्हणजे अमित झाडाखाली चालत होता. So we can write here Amit walked under the tree. Then next Nita. Nita is a name of girl. So we can write here Nita walked on the mat. So we can write Nita walked on the mat. Then next, a few men climbed on the wall. So we can write here a few men climbed on the wall. A few men means थोडीच माणसं भिंतीवर चढली होती. Then next sentence, some children fell from the tree. So we can write here some children fell from the tree. म्हणजे काही मुलं झाडावरून पडली. Like this you try to make many meaningful sentences. Now we see next activity. Here is given instruction. Try to make bigger sentences by choosing 2 items from the first 2 houses. You may add the word and where necessary. Means तुम्ही 2 हाऊस मधील शब्द घेऊ शकतात, त्यांच्यामध्ये जोडण्यासाठी and चा वापर करू शकतात आणि मोठ्यात मोठे वाक्य तयार करायचे आहेत. लेट्स ट्राय. वी कॅन से द माउस रॅन टू द वॉल अँड अ कॅट जम्प्ड ऑन द वॉल. सो वी कॅन राईट हिअर द माउस रॅन ऑन द वॉल मीन्स उंदीर भिंतीकडे पळाला आणि a cat jumped on the wall means मांजरीने भिंतीवर उडी घेतली. अशा पद्धतीने मोठं वाक्य तयार होईल. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स. अमित slept under the tree and the lion jumped from the tree. So we can write here Amit slept under the tree म्हणजे अमित झाडाखाली झोपला होता. And the lion jumped from the tree म्हणजे सिंहाने झाडावरून उडी मारली. Let's see next sentence. Some children climbed on the wall and some children climbed on the wall and Nina jumped from the tree. So we can write here some children climbed on the wall and Nina jumped from the tree. Means काही मुले भिंतीवर चढली होती आणि नीना जम्प फ्रॉम द ट्री नीनाने झाडावरून उडी मारली. लाईक धिस यू ट्राय टू मेक मेनी मीनिंगफुल long sentences. Now let's see next activity. Choose one word phrase from each house and make meaningful sentences. प्रत्येक घरातील एक शब्दगट निवडा आणि त्याचे अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य तयार करा. Here is also given 3 houses. Choose one word phrase from each house and make meaningful sentences. Here is given subjects and helping verb will. Then in this house here are given verbs and you see all verbs are in present form and their next objects. Let's try to make sentence. If we take here I will and from here sing and here tomorrow. So sentence become I will sing tomorrow. I will sing tomorrow. मी उद्या गाणं गाईल. This is future tense, simple future tense. Then next, we will play on the day after tomorrow. So we can write sentence here. We will play on the day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow means परवा म्हणजे आम्ही परवा खेळू. Then next, you will leave soon. So we can write here तुम्ही लवकर सोडून जाल किंवा तू लवकर सोडून जाशील. Then next, he will study tonight म्हणजे तो आज रात्री अभ्यास करेल. So we can write here he will study tonight. Then next, she will make it 2 days after tomorrow. So we can write here she will make it 2 days after tomorrow म्हणजे ती हे 2 दिवसांनंतर करेल. Then it will paint tomorrow म्हणजे त्याला उद्या रंग देईल. So we can write here it will paint tomorrow त्याला उद्या रंग दिले जाईल. Then next, they will speak tonight. So we can write here they will speak tonight म्हणजे ते आज रात्री बोलतील. Try to make many meaningful sentences. Then next instruction is given there. Now try to add the following words to your sentences to make bigger and meaningful sentences. Means here are given some words and we should use these words and try to make bigger sentences. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी जे शब्द दिलेले आहेत त्यांचा वापर करून आणि या 3 घरांमधील शब्द आणि येथील शब्द घेऊन मोठे मोठे वाक्य तयार करायचे आहेत. Let's try. I will play a game tomorrow. So we can write here I will play a game. We use here a game word here. So sentence become I will play a game tomorrow. Then next we use the word this place. We will leave this place tonight. So we can write here we will leave this place tonight म्हणजे आम्ही ही जागा आज रात्री सोडणार आहोत. देन नेक्स्ट, अ फ्यू लाईन्स. वी यूज दिस वर्ड इन दिस सेंटेन्स. लेट्स ट्राय. यू विल स्पीक अ फ्यू लाईन्स later. So sentence become you will speak a few lines later. म्हणजे तुला नंतर काही ओळी बोलायला लागतील. Then next we use this word, this lesson. He will study this lesson tomorrow. So we can write here, he will study this lesson tomorrow. म्हणजे तो हा धडा उद्या शिकणार आहे. नेक्स्ट, वी यूज अ सॉन्ग इन द सेंटेन्स. सो लेट्स ट्राय. सी विल सिंग अ सॉन्ग टुनाइट. सो वी कॅन मेक सेंटेन्स हिअर. सी विल सिंग अ सॉन्ग टुनाइट. म्हणजे ती आज रात्री गाणे गाईल. देन नेक्स्ट, वी यूज हिअर द ड्रम. इट विल play the drum soon. So we can write here, it will play the drum soon. म्हणजे ते, मूल असो कोणी असो, ते लवकरच ड्रम वाजवेल. Then next, they will study a story tomorrow. So sentence become, they will study a story tomorrow. म्हणजे तो उद्या ती गोष्ट शिकणार आहे. Then next, she will wash my clothes later. So sentence become, she will wash my clothes later. Like this students, you try to make many meaningful sentences and write all in your notebook and show your teacher. I think you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.